Maryam from Crochet Tutorial, and today we want to learn how to crochet this tweed single crochet. This simple stitch pattern can transform itself into tweed when you crochet each row with a different color. So let's get started. To get started, make a slip knot and start chaining an even number of stitches. After making your chains, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet next, and repeat this process. It means chain 1, skip the next chain, single crochet next, to the end of the row. For row 2, turn your work, make a single crochet in the very first stitch, and into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet next chain 1 space. And repeat this process to the end. At the end of row 2, after making the last single crochet into a chain 1 space, don't chain 1 and make a single crochet into the last single crochet. This is how it looks like at the end of row 2. Row 3, turn your work, make a single crochet into the very first stitch. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet, make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet, make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space, and repeat this process to the end. At the end of row 2, chain 1, skip the next single crochet and make a single crochet into the last single crochet. Repeat row 2 and 3 until you get the desired length. And this is how it looks like at the end. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, write your comments down below, and support me. See you in next tutorials. Bye!